because I've been, chilling and figuring it out. So I
Bano
just
me.
wanted to drop just something to finally bring a vibe back,
Okay.
to SK hip hop. Something that I'm missing.
Okay.
Hello.
Hi.
Oh,
Bangibuza
what's
ngawe lana,
the
so I decided to add you.
Khosile.
Nakuhlezi usendleleni yazi.
Yeah.
Uyaphi? Uyaphi?
Okay.
Awusemuhle.
Kuna bengilela. What's
Yo, awuzwakali nokuzwakala. Okay, bye. Uzongitshela. Ciao. Let's go entertain guys. Nizomyeka. Nizomyeka. Can you sing? Guys, I'm watching Eight Friends of Amsterdam. Yes? Yes. I'm white and looking for a woman over there in Kenya. Guys, I'm a pooping makulu nanyas. Like you'll dream too much. And it's bigger than you. Guys, I wanna sing for y'all. It's like what's this? Sorry about that. Who's that girl? She's not online. She's not active. Yeah. Yeah, I get go active. But I'm invited though. I invited. Hey guys, bye bye. Bye. See y'all another time.
Is the all-inclusive five-star trip to the Friends of Amsterdam experience. I'm talking flights, accommodation, tennis court over and the title
Guys, bye bye.
Friends of Amsterdam.
Bye bye. Okay, let me add Candy, and then after get the Candy, Ngia. Hamba. I'm going. Kasimugele. Ngena girl.
Yo, Katele.
Why not shakubuso wena? Even now.
We still cleaning. When and the Fuba send you and papel and
Yes, I put them lento is a twin. And then she went with it at home. Imagine. Nkabi wa shivela. Nango mu.
how no stokima washanga manje why
Eh?
wangenela. Nithi no kin magai washanga wayingenela.
Wena uze wangena emotweni wahamba.
Mfana bescleana.
lapho yakhona.
Oh, mina ngikuzwa.
Ithi mina yo shame.
Uyaphapha yazi.
Yo guys. Izolo singxoxeleni
Nenzani
izolo
lapho
sebasibulala.
Nenzani.
Amehlo wami awasadumbanga kakhulu guys yo. You bathi Ogden Hands yo. Uba not Ogden Hands wasiphaphela.
Engazosiphaphela nobubi uGolden Fana ZA ngizomblocka mina. Ngizwa nomuntu ophaphayo. Ukusibona nje kayi-once akazozenza umngani wethu. That's why bengafuni nje nokuya lapha ngoba abantu sizijwayeza nabantu nje abangabhadlile. Phapha nje nalokho akakuyenzayo.
Yo, Tuba relax.
Angizange abantu abasile.
Guys, kuyashisa la ngaphandle.
Oh,
Kanti uhleli ngaphandle.
Inja yakhabolembu beyifuna ukungiluma. Nayi inja. Beyifuna ukungiluma.
Ufu.
lapho uyayisaba nawe self angenasithemba
Yo.
ukuthi wayi.
and
I
ngiyayisaba.
can't understand what she's saying. I always up. I can speak English every day. I'm so
Guys,
sad.
makeup even in the house. Team. Makeup even in the house. Why not go makeup la?
Papa,
Papa.
Yini ubona mali esothi makeup.
like, makeup le.
Hi guys. Yini manje? Oh.
I don't apply makeup, guys. I
Any
can't.
vocalist to sing on my piano. I can sing, Mina. I can even sing now.
It's what a natural. In natural. Candy.
Nenzani lapho nikezile izitsha?
Kendi ingasponsor lesiphongo sakho.
Anginaso
Veza
yasibona.
ubuso.
Ubuso.
I bring
Ubuso.
What do you
ispongo to
bring
the
on the
table.
table?
Ispongo. I bring
What do you bring on the
itafula
table?
mina. Itafula. Imani guys. Nangu lebu.
Lebu. Lebril.
Wait, so.
Hamba kanjalo Lebril. Guys, ngizolanda ama-gown nami.
Yeah?
Ngizolanda ama-gown.
Alright.
Bolts. Package.
Manje ngikhuluma kuma-live.
Ini?
Nepenti yami oyigqokile Kim, ngicela uyiwashe ngizoyilanda.
Uthi penti lakhe ligqokile ngasho uzolanda. Hayi guys. Hayi live yami. Papa yini? Hayi.
Baba yini shame.
Hlala nibhoreke lapho shame.
Siyabuya, uba notice asibuyi siyabuya.
Sobona ngani? Job.
Ngiyazi ukuthi you can't live without me too ba.
Sobona ngani job?
Baba if niyafuna, if anifuni yekana akekho ozoncenga.
Useki. Uze mofuna.
Okay, ngizobona if ngiyafuna.
Bye.
Nizeni Nicole.
Pose, I think it's screenshot.
Ngazile.
Nah, nizeni.
Bye baby.
Did you get that?
Yeah?
Did you get what I said?
No.
Nizeni cold drink. Yabantu abadala.
Welele, okay, bye bye.
You can't.
Bye.
Ngizwile, relax. I understood.
Papa, I can't.
Bye
Angikwazi
babe.
ukuku remove. Oh, sengiyam remove.